And today I'm going to show you Science Reference Center from the Ohio Web Library page here. Go down under Science and click Science Reference Center. This database is especially helpful for those in middle school, high school, and even some of you taking science classes in college, especially if you're looking for science experiments for the upcoming science fairs, and if you're just looking for any general research in a scientific field. At the top, you have a list of publications, a list of subject headings, a dictionary. You can also search images and video. You can run a basic search from this search bar at the top. I'll do a simple search for photosynthesis. I won't put anything else in there. And as you can see, we have a lot of articles coming up here. You have the citation information for each. You will get either HTML or PDF full text. But if you're not quite sure what you're searching for, you can browse the categories: applied sciences, physical sciences, earth sciences, and so on. Those will take you into some other categories then. Under earth sciences, atmosphere, and a bunch of other different topics: global warming, greenhouse effect, overpopulation. If you click on that, you will be taken to research on those different topics. The reference shelf over on the right-hand side is especially useful. The dictionary's over there, but what I'd like to point out are the science experiments with those upcoming science fairs, specifically for high school students. This is a very, very useful resource. If you simply click on science experiments, it brings up everything, and as you can see, 1,034 results. So there's a ton of different science experiments in here. You can also search, once you click on science experiment, for anything specific. The reference shelf also has information on citations. There's also a useful research guide, information on how to avoid plagiarism, how to approach the writing of your research paper, and more. A nice jumping off point for students. And finally, at the bottom of the screen, browse popular sources. These are full text ebooks. Most of them are pretty short. The Handy Biology Answer Book will go into that one. And we get full text. And you can move forward. We'll go to Animal Diversity on page 233. And it takes you to that chapter. It's broken up in chapters like that. But again, full text works well on most devices. It'll bring it up in the EBSCO view similar to this. So go in and play around with this resource, and remember to specifically mention this one to those students working on science projects this year.